Hi everyone. When we look into our workshop, we find the current models of the Milwaukee 8 engine series. So it becomes even more exciting when an old Evo is on stage again. The Night Train, Dirty Ape, is the project of a longtime Thunderbike friend and customer. He did the preliminary work, but we are responsible for the completion. Because the bike, his second bike, should be something extraordinary. A chopper with spoked wheels in the dimensions 2:15 x 21 in front and 5.5 x 17 in the back. Coarse-tolled tires. An ape that makes some others fade away, and a cool ducktail rear conversion. Especially the rear end is a challenge for us again, because we can't use bolt-on or something similar. Which means we have to create something new for the special wishes of the customer. Unfortunately, we can already tell you that this conversion is and remains unique. But we don't want to withhold the special conversion of the Evo from you. The special highlight of the rear fender are the integrated turn signal stripes in the struts. It's a chopper baby. Thanks for watching.